Before we delve into specific strategies, it's essential to establish a solid foundation. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Analyze your income, expenses, and debts. Create a budget that aligns with your goals and helps you make intentional financial decisions. Building a robust savings habit is crucial for financial growth. Allocate a percentage of your income towards savings each month. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This safety net will protect you during unforeseen circumstances and provide peace of mind. To maximize your money, it's important to manage and minimize debt effectively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards or personal loans. Explore strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment journey. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth. Start by educating yourself about different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider your risk tolerance and time horizon when creating an investment portfolio. Diversify your investments to mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Planning for retirement is a long-term financial goal that requires attention. Start early and take advantage of retirement accounts such as 401(k), or IRAs that offer tax advantages and potential employer matches. Set a target retirement age and contribute regularly to your retirement savings. Increasing your income through side hustles or additional streams of revenue can significantly boost your financial growth. Explore your skills, passions, or hobbies that can be monetized. Consider freelancing, starting an online business, or investing in income-generating assets. In the ever-changing world of finance, continual education is key. Stay updated on financial trends, investment strategies, and personal finance concepts. Attend workshops, read books, follow financial experts, and expand your knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Tracking progress and adjusting strategies. Regularly track your financial progress and reassess your strategies. Monitor your net worth, review your investments, and adjust your budget as needed. Celebrate milestones along the way and remain adaptable to changing circumstances. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to maximize your money and achieve financial growth. By setting a strong foundation, saving diligently, managing debt wisely, investing strategically, planning for retirement, and seeking continual education, you are on your way to financial success. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who may benefit from these strategies. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on financial growth. Remember, the power to maximize your money and create a secure financial future lies in your hands. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep maximizing your money.